How many website passwords do you have in your notes or on your mobile phone? I think a lot. Banks, schools, crypto exchange, government institutions, online stores all have their own logins and passwords. And sometimes they use CAPTCHAs and Google verifiers which do not always work. And sometimes passwords are just simply forgotten. And what about a new registration on a website or government agency where you have to go through verification again? Upload the same documents again, verify your identity, and take a photo of your face again. This process is disheartening. Nobody wants to do this anymore. Of course, to quickly register on websites, you can always use one of the recognizable buttons like Facebook or Google. But they also ask for a password and do not transmit personal data. Imagine if you could register with a new service and transfer your personal data in one click. We have a solution, ECiD Global Digital Passport, with which the entrance to all online services will only take a few seconds. One login, one PIN code, and the entrance to all online services. How do I get it? The digital passport is created based on your real document and it takes less than a minute. ECiD works with all documents in the world. Just download the application from the App Store or Google Marketplace. Think of and remember PIN 1 and PIN 2, then enter your email, which will now always and everywhere be used as your universal and unique login. Take a photo of the document so that it is fully visible and readable. If it is a passport, then one photo is enough. If ID card, then take a photo of both sides and then take a selfie. Your digital passport is generated and stored only on your device and only you can dispose of and transfer your data to the services that request it. No third party has access to your personal data. And now about how to use the ECiD application in the internet. Open any website where a branded ECiD button is located. Click it. The usual field for entering an email will appear. Enter the email that you used when registering in the application. Press the enter button and a window for entering your PIN code will pop up on your phone. Enter the PIN code. You are in the system, under your name with your data. It does not matter whether it is a new site or a site where you're already registered. The entrance will be equally fast. How to use the application offline or in institutions where you need to present a document and verify a person's identity. We enter the email, press the enter, and a pop-up window appears on your phone. Enter the PIN code on your phone and look at the camera. The artificial intelligence will compare the photo and the digital document with the person's face and transfer the necessary data to the institution. Why is it user-friendly for both online and offline service? Firstly, everyone uses a single secure login system, and the user has only one PIN code. And in addition, the institution receives all the necessary personal user data in a matter of seconds if it is necessary, for example, to open an account with the bank or create a new profile for a government institution. What else? ECiD makes it possible to digitally sign contracts, documents, and any kind of transaction both in financial institutions and in simple companies to optimize document flow. It is also possible to embed a QR code, create passes. ECiD can be used as a contactless form of interaction. All services and companies can integrate ECiD into their system and use the safest and simplest login. Use a digital signature and simplify the life of both the user and the online service by saving time and nerves. If the website does not have its own personal account or admin panel for integration, the ECiD gives you the opportunity to download these cabinets for free with the standard functionality of registration, electronic signature, and uploading documents. And your IT specialists will add and configure them themselves as needed for the website. And what about security? It is simply impossible to hack, steal, or forge personal data in a digital passport. The ECiD application is built on a public key infrastructure. Any change in the certificate with personal data makes it invalid. I will also repeat that ECiD does not have servers for storing personal data. Your personal data is stored only on your mobile device. In any country, there are government agencies, tax, cinema, banks, car sharing, internet shops, and many other online services. But what can I say? Now our whole life has gone online, and everywhere there are different logins, different passwords. It is impossible to remember and write it all down. ECiD offers you one login and one PIN solution for all online services. ECiD can be used for everyday life. It's very easy and safe.